Nice round of applause here. Time now for Education Matters, a fundraising event to support extracurricular activities for students. And you know what? Those costs can add up. It's called the State of the School Dinner. And we want to let you guys know how you can help out and have a great dinner as well. Curtis Weathers of Memphis Academy of Health Sciences joins us. Good morning to you.
Well, good morning.
Hey, you're looking good, but even better, you're surrounded by some sharp kids.
Yeah, well, I always look better with them around me. So, yeah.
Well, tell me about this dinner and the Memphis Academy of Health Sciences. You're all students, right? Yeah.
Well, the Memphis Academy of Health Sciences has been around since 2003. We're a charter school. We have a middle school and a high school. And our State of the School Dinner is an opportunity not only to thank our parents and supporters and many friends, but it's also an opportunity to raise funds for our extracurricular activities, which we have many in our school.
Well, it looks to me like you brought representatives from most of your activities. We can start over here. Basketball, ladies basketball, that's right.
Yeah.
Maybe a future UT Vol player. What do you think?
Absolutely. Volleyball as well. And all the way around, we have
some
our
scholars.
majorettes.
Oh, okay, good looking outfit.
Right.
Yeah.
We have we have a choir and
neat. All right.
We have our 100 Black Men organization.
Hello there.
Baseball. Cheerleader. Football.
Yeah.
Yearbook. Step team.
All right.
Absolutely. So
a lot of talent.
And of course, that's not all. These are the ones we're allowed to bring.
Okay, yeah. Somebody's got to go to class this morning, right? Well, let's talk about what kind of money you need. Is this for uniforms and for the actual programs or equipment or what?
All of the above.
All of the above, okay.
We spend a lot of money on extracurricular at our school. We're a very busy school. We have all of these programs going on throughout the year, and we spend it on equipment and uniforms and, ticket sales, concessions, everything. And so when you add it all up, it's pretty expensive.
All right, so tell me about the dinner then. It's Saturday, October 8th, so you got a couple of weeks to think about it, but go ahead and make your reservations.
Well, the dinner is at Woodland Hills Country Club. October 8th starts at 6 o'clock p.m. And the dinner and program ends at 9, and then the entertainment starts afterwards, and so they can enjoy themselves. And so bring a spouse or somebody else to come on out. But so we have live entertainment. We're going to have an auction. The auction, of course, is designed to, again, raise funds for our school. So both a silent auction and an open auction.
I love the auctions. You can always get great deals.
Oh, you can.
On this auction stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. James just brought you a cup. Tell me about it.
This is our coffee cup. I use it every morning.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is just one of the items, obviously, that are. Matter of fact, we'll have something like this on auction as well.
Okay, so see, there you go. If you want to make reservations, we'll have a link to their website on our website, myfoxmemphis.com. Curtis, I thank all of you and all of your students for joining us today.
Well, we're glad to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Okay, when we come back, a new interview from Elvis Presley. Oh, yeah, and we'll hear part of it in the next hour. Plus,